Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So this is our second station regarding art supplies. So I surfing the Amazon and my favorite brand Brustro just pop up a ad and I click on it and check that they are providing a 24 set artist color pencil. With that product they have uploaded a product review, so I check with that and I found maybe it useful and good product. It arrived, here it is. Still it's wrapped with plastic. I thought why not I uncovered it in front of you and do, so that you can also understand that how it looks like. And of course end of this session, as my previous video, I will definitely demonstrate a art video and create a small painting with this color pencil. And I found their introductory video, they are claiming that this color pencil have the ability to blending the colors. Back of this packet they have mentioned all these color swatches. So they advised that before using this I need to create my color swatches in a blank sheet to see how the color blending is coming. So let's check, let's unpack this and see how it will looks like. Let's open this box. Looking very nice. It takes is 750 and it comes with 24 shades. So while I am holding this, it gives me a nice feeling. It is covered with some laminated coating. It's very smooth. I need to check all these swatches. This is my first time I am using this kind of color pencil. Let's see how it comes. So it's mixing well with this other color. You see, still now here I have used this red color and this pink color. They are blending very good. They are showing that it can create layers. So let's see that. This is sky blue, this one sky blue. This is azure blue. Yes, but it's mixed well with this sky blue. Midnight blue, nicely blending with other colors. I always try to use colors in a way so that my artwork give me a unique artwork. People can recognize this, that Onkon has drawn this, so that I can also learn with you. Okay, enough. I think it's better we can create some meaningful drawing with this all these pencils. So guys, I have already prepared a sketch of kingfishers, and you can find the sketch video in my description box. So let's see how my color pencil will work on this. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.